All right, working off our previous tutorial, we're going to change these random numbers into values that don't change. Because if you see down here, if you just start entering in new values, you're going to see your numbers still randomizing because the random formula, the random formula you see here is still applied. So let's go ahead and make these static values, shall we? So go up to your top cell here and click with your left mouse button and hold the left mouse button, then drag diagonally all the way down to your bottom right cell here and release the left mouse button. And now with your data set selected, go up to the Home tab, left mouse button, click on Copy, and now you have all these cells copied. Now go up to the Paste option under the Home tab and left mouse button click on it, and then go down to Paste Values and left mouse button click on this item here under Paste Values, and now you've changed your random formula into values. So if you just click around with the left mouse button on just different cells, you'll see up here that it is now replaced with a value instead of the formula. So the next time you enter in new data, which we'll get to in the next tutorial, you will not see your values change. It'll make it much easier to work with these values in the future. Alright, if you found this tutorial helpful, please click that like button. It'll really help me out, and I'll see you in the next video.